Welcome to the official trivia training game. This training arcade game transforms quizzes and assessments into fun, engaging, and competitive experiences with points, streaks, leaderboards, and timers. Trivia questions can be multiple choice, multi-select, image match, text input, or polls. The trivia game comes with one visual design. For companies that require custom branding or want the games to have more of their own look and feel, the Training Arcade team provides services to design custom skins that leverage your colors, imagery, logo, and/or products. Every Training Arcade game aligns with different employee performance objectives. Trivia is ideal for boosting engagement and retention and rewarding learners for fast and correct decision-making. Players are awarded points based on accurate recall and receive corrective feedback along the way. The trivia game also comes with an Instructor Mode, which is a great option for classroom training, corporate meetings, other live events, and also virtual training. By bringing this classic game from the Training Arcade into a live instructor-led training experience or to a group training session online, the competitive and fun nature of the game increases learner engagement. One of the best features of trivia, the ease of creating a one-of-a-kind game. Step 1. Log in to your Training Arcade admin portal. Step 2. Click Add New Game and select Trivia. Step 3. Fill in the basic game info by making simple selections to set the stage for your game, like naming your game, choosing how much time to allot for each question, setting a pass-fail, adding messages to set the stage for what the learner can expect from the game, and user registration. Step 4. Click the Questions tab and fill in your game questions, answers, and feedback. This tab is just as user-friendly as the Game Info tab. Step 5. Don't forget to click Save. Note, you can edit the game as much as you want after you save, and it will update the game in real time. Step 6. Publish your game to your learners a dozen different ways to ensure they can use it through e-learning, at a live event, or through blended learning. You also have the option to download your game as a SCORM package to easily integrate into your existing learning management system. The game URL can also be embedded into a course created with Storyline, Captivate, or Lectora, added to a PowerPoint or Keynote presentation, emailed or texted to learners, pasted into a chat during a webinar, or used for live learning with groups or individuals competing against each other for leaderboard dominance. For more information on trivia and other training games, visit thetrainingarcade.com.